So I am David Love. I am the Nick Trubovich Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Purdue University. So my research is primarily in wireless communications and information theory. This is the area of research where we're interested in maximizing data rates, improving reliability, and typically you're doing this with mathematical or signal processing techniques. So around the world, the big thing driving research right now is 6G wireless development. And one of the big topics for 6G is precision agriculture. The main job of a farmer is logistics. They're trying to gather data, harness information, and allocate resources. So using sensors and other kind of advanced analytics in the field allows them to do this more effectively. So what we're interested in doing is really solving two main problems in agriculture. One is getting the data out of the field, and the other is how you gather the data within the field, specifically talking to sensors in the ground or on the surface of the soil. And one of the big problems is how you're going to distribute these large numbers of sensors, because some folks are talking about hundreds or even thousands of sensors in the field. So we've been looking at techniques like how you would use this in planters and other kind of seeding devices where you would intermingle the communications devices and the sensing in with the seeds. Well, farming is actually a very technologically advanced area, but the sort of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering aspects of precision agriculture have not really taken off yet. So in general, we're in the early stages of a shift in farming where you're going to start seeing more of these high-tech aspects in communications, robotics, and autonomous systems. So there's a lot of interest in using precision agriculture techniques for lowering the scale of farming. Right now, farming is very large scale with very large, very expensive ag machinery. There's the potential to use these techniques to have smaller machinery, which would lower the cost of farming and enable it in underdeveloped areas. So I think you're going to see a shift in terms of rural areas. Right now, even in developed countries like the United States, they do not have reliable broadband coverage. So you're going to start seeing more of an emphasis in 6G, 7G, other kind of wireless systems where you're going to have more development, more high technology in rural areas and also in third world countries.